Hey, what's going on? I'm going to activate with you right now, okay? Your activate came in your lean body sculpting system, or maybe you ordered it on your own. People do that monthly. It's great to do monthly. It comes with 3 different packets, okay? And we're going to do this 3 nights in a row. So if you see here, I already had my dinner. It's about an hour before I'm going to go to bed. It doesn't really matter, but I'm gonna put it in 8 to 10 ounces of cold water. I prefer cold water. There are some people that use room temperature water. I personally think cold water is better. Some people use it in a Poland Spring bottle. If you do that, make sure you take a sip first and then pour the packet in and then tip the cover and shake it really well. So I'm just gonna pour this in here. So hopefully you've had a very good day of eating clean. You ate no processed foods, with good vegetables and greens and lean protein. Hopefully you drank plenty of water. Okay, you're gonna see it mixes like this. If you have a frother, you can use a frother. You want to be fancy, I just like a good old spoon. Okay, I'm gonna stir really well. Now there's psyllium husk in here, which is a fiber, and so it thickens. So it's important that we take it and we drink it pretty quickly. And when I say drink quickly, that doesn't mean like guzzle it all down, you know, be a normal human, but enjoy it. But don't let it sit for 15 minutes, 10 minutes, not even 5 minutes, to be honest. You want to be able to drink it quickly. If you feel like you need to add more water to make it not so thick, you could always do that. It tastes like a green, zesty lemonade. I actually really enjoy it. And again, you can do this once a month to help clean you out, help you gently, not crazy, right? De-bloat and just feel better. Okay, cheers.